Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing a way to present data, and that is using the stem and leaf diagram. Without further ado, let's get this lesson started. Stem and leaf diagram is one way to present the data wherein we are doing the breaking down of its digits into place values so that after doing this stem and leaf diagram, we will be given an overall impression of the data. So to better understand, let's suppose we have the data of the ages of the tourist going to a certain tourist spot in Barangay San Jose from these dates. As you may notice, this data are already arranged from the lowest value, which is 14, to the highest, which is 75. So, as I've mentioned, we have to be familiar again with the place values of different digit. So, say for example, we have this 14. What we're going to do is we will break these apart. Okay, so one here will stand for the tens place, and 4 will be the ones place. So it depends upon the data as to what place value it will be broken. In this case, since all of our data have the highest place value, which is tens, so we will just use the tens and the ones place value. So first, we will draw a vertical line, and that vertical line will signify the region for the tens and for the ones. This left part, the part for the tens, that is what we will refer as the stem, and this right part will be containing the leaves. So again, let's use 14. We will break down 14 into 1 and 4. Next, we have 17. Since 17 share the same tens digit as 14, we will not write 1 again. Instead, we will just put 7 next to 4. It means that for the data having the tens values of 1, we have two data qualifying that condition, which are 14, 1, 4, and 17, 1, 7. This goes on and on until we have written all the data, grouping, of course, those data having the same tens digit. Doing that, we will arrive with this stem and leaf diagram. As I've mentioned a while ago, this 14 and 17 will share the first row because both of them have the same tens digit, which is 1. Next, for 21 until 28, all of them will be written on the second row because all of them have the same tens digit, which is 2. They will be written like this. That same principle goes for line of 3, 31 until 39, this line. Line of 4, 41 until 48, this line. Line of 5, with just 4 elements, 52, 53, 54, and 55, this line. And line of 6 and line of 7. After finishing the stem and leaf diagram, we can derive a few things regarding this dataset. First, most of the tourists that visited that tourist spot in Barangay San Jose are age 40s. It means it's 41 to 48. The least number of tourists are those aged 70s. Specifically, we only have one tourist, followed by the teenagers starting from 14 and 17. So this is what we mean when we say we are given the overall impression of the data. We can see where the data lie closely to each other. Where are the extreme? In this case, the extremes are the 70s and the teens, so that we can visualize what this data means. So this data can be a basis for the owners of the stores in that tourist spot so that they can have more improvements on their businesses. So that's it for the stem and leaf diagram. Remember that this first column, the column on the left of the line, this is the stem. And this right column, where all the ones digits are placed, is called the leaf. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.